Assalamualaikum. Hi. Let's continue with the expansion of algebraic expressions part 2. In part 1, I have shared with you how to expand algebraic expressions using area method. Make sure you watch the video until the end because I will show you a fast method to expand square root of an algebraic expression. We are going to expand using arrow method. Okay, we have two expressions here, 5p plus 3 multiply p minus 4q. So you must remember that every terms inside the first bracket must be multiplied with every term inside the second bracket. Okay, let's see how. So 5p multiply p, and then 5p must also multiply with 4q, and we take together with the sign in front of 4q. We multiply 3 with p, and we multiply also 3 with negative 4q. And then we simplify all this. 5p times p is 5p squared, and then negative 20pq plus 3p and minus 12q. Now since there is no like terms, we just rearrange them nicely and close with each other like that. Let's see example number 2. Now we have 3x minus 2y multiply 5x plus y. 3x multiply 5x and 3x multiply y. After that, we take negative 2y multiply 5x and negative 2y multiply y. So we get 15x squared plus 3xy minus 10xy and minus 2y squared. Okay, over here, notice that we have like terms 3xy and negative 10xy. So we have to simplify these two terms. It becomes minus 7xy, and we just arrange it in line with the other terms. So finish with the question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. Now this time we have a bracket squared of a bracket 4m minus 3 bracket squared. So how do we deal with this? When we have squared, it means that the expression multiply with itself. We just 4m minus 3 multiply 4m minus 3 again. Right? So we just do like what we have done earlier. 4m multiply 4m, and then 4m multiply negative 3. After that, we consider this 3 and 4m, and also 3 with negative 3. Then we simplify them all. 4m times 4m is 16m squared. 4m times negative 3 is negative 12m, and negative 3 times 4m is negative 12m, and negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Next, we arrange them, and notice that we have like terms here, minus 12m and minus 12m. So we simplify, we get negative 24m. This is our final answer. Let's see number 4. We just rewrite 7x plus 1 multiply with itself. After that, we just multiply every item in the first bracket with every item in the second bracket. Make sure you settle one by one. First, you multiply this term with every items in the second bracket. Okay, after that we deal with the second term with every term in the second bracket. Okay, 1 and 7 x and 1 and 1. Okay, then we simplify, we get 49x squared plus 7x plus 7x plus 1. So we can simplify again 7x and 7x. This becomes 14x. Finish with our question number 4. Besides using arrow method to expand the square of algebraic expression, I have a simple and fast method to share with you today. Now let's see example number 5. Here is the fast method. Now first of all, you just make 3 spaces, and then we are going to square the first number and the second number, like that. We are going to square both of these. It becomes x squared and negative 5 squared. And what about the middle part? In the middle part, we are going to multiply all. What does it mean, multiply all? It means 2 multiply negative 5 multiply with x. So it becomes x squared minus 10x. Negative 5 squared is positive 25. Then we just arrange them close to each other. Done. Simple, isn't it? Let's try another question. Okay, we have 5y plus b squared. So first of all, we make 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to square the first number and the last number. We put at both ends. This left we put on the left hand side, and the second number is right, we put at the right hand side, and we square them both. So it becomes 5y here. We square the 5y, and then here is b. We square the b. Then in the middle, what do we do in the middle part? We are going to multiply all. So it means 2 multiply b multiply 5y. 2 multiply b multiply 5y. You can arrange like this. Okay, whichever arrangement doesn't matter. Maybe you want to multiply 2 and 5y first, and then only with b is okay. And then we simplify them. We get 25y squared plus 10by and plus b squared. Then we just, now let's see example number 6. We have 5y plus b squared. Make 3 spaces, and then we are going to square the first number, and then square also the second number at both ends. Yeah, you square both ends. We get 5y squared and b squared. And in the middle, what do we do with the middle part? We multiply all. Yeah, we multiply all in the middle. So we get 2 times b times 5y, and finally we get 25y squared plus 10by plus b squared. Finally, we just arrange them close together. Okay, let's see example number 7. Now why don't you try by yourself to do this one? Pause the video and do it by your own. Then you check. Alright. So we make 3 spaces, and then we square left and right. For both ends, we square both ends. Becomes 3x squared and negative 4 squared. And in the middle, we multiply all. Multiply all in the middle, it becomes 2 times negative 4 times 3x. So we get 9x squared minus 24x and plus 16. Finally, we get 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. Now, when you are familiar with this method, you can just omit this part. Yeah, you can omit this part. You can straight away calculate mentally and straight away get the answer. It's very simple and it just need practice. Practice makes perfect. You can just create your own two terms expression and bracket, square the bracket, and use this method. Is going to make your life so easy doing mathematics. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you find this video benefits you, please like, share and subscribe.